Here is the quick, simple take before you buy. What's up, everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using flimsy vacuum sealers that just can't keep up with your meal prep needs? I've got the solution for you, and it's called the Gasbye Chamber Vacuum Sealer. This powerful machine is a game changer, and I'm excited too. With its 5.3 QD chamber capacity, you'll have plenty of room to fit both your vacuum bag and food, making it perfect for everyday meal prep. The Gasbye CV4520 also comes with everything you need to get started, including a user manual, external air suction hose, filler plate, and 30 pre-cut vacuum bags. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among home cooks and meal preppers. One of the standout features of this sealer is its liquid-cooled system, which provides a high level of heat control and consistency, giving you a perfect seal every time. You'll also appreciate the king-size 11.5-inch sealing bar, which can handle larger bags and items with ease. The 9.7-inch chamber width is also a nice touch, allowing you to seal wide containers and bags with ease. When you use the Gasbye Chamber Vacuum Sealer, you'll notice the smooth sound of the vacuum pump and the satisfying feel of the seal being created. The result is a perfectly sealed bag that will keep your food fresh for a long time. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or storing leftovers, this sealer is a must-have. It's also great for handling liquids like marinades, soups, and sauces, which can be a challenge for traditional suction vacuum sealers. Overall, I highly recommend the Gasbye Chamber Vacuum Sealer for its high capacity, ease of use, and ability to handle a variety of foods and liquids. Give it a try and see the difference it can make in your cooking and meal prep routine. If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.